Alrighty, so we're here on our family day out down at the Weka Pass Railway, and this is the workshops behind us. So we've got a cool little job coming up for the guys down here at Weka Pass Railway, and before we hop on the train, we're going to have a little look behind the scenes, and Chris is going to take us through the workshop. So Chris, if I give you this mic, tell us what we're going to see behind us.
We'll be having a look initially through the main locomotive and engineering workshop where locomotives are overhauled and stored, and then we'll move from there down to the car shop and have a look where carriage restoration is carried out.
Good stuff, so let's go check it out. Now at the Glenmark station, and we've got the loco behind us with all of the carriages lined up ready to go, and we've got the MoMac team on board. But throughout the day, we're going to pass the mic around to a few of the different team members and tell you about how the day's going. Alrighty, so I'm here with Brad. Brad's our senior designer here at MoMac, and one of the reasons we've actually come out today is because the team from the Weka Pass Railway have commissioned us to produce a new brand and a new logo. Yes, it's actually pretty exciting. And Brad, have you been on this train before?
Just once, but this is going to be a good refresher. Gain some great inspiration for the new brand. Looking forward to it. Kids are going to have a blast.
Yeah, that's good. And what are you most looking forward to about this branding project for the Weka Pass?
Just because it's something quite iconic to the region, and it's going to be something that's going to be there for quite a long time, just like these trains. So it's going to be cool to see. Yeah, make a mark on Waipara. It's going to be good.
When we think about a brand or a logo, what are some considerations that we have to think about as the design agency?
So we've got to think about style. We've got to think about tone, what we want to convey with this message, who we're targeting. And also who's it's going to appeal to. Obviously this is a very touristy but family orientated event. So we want to show that and reflect that in the logo.
Awesome, and it's actually not that often that we get to come out to site for our clients and actually experience something like this. So it's actually quite cool that the team and the family get to come out and actually experience it before we actually get into the branding phase and the design stage. So yeah, what do you reckon? That's quite unique?
Oh, it's really unique. It's only happened to me once before with rodents. This is just really cool, and it's going to be a great way to gain inspiration for this new project coming up. Let's go. So Chris, can you tell me a little bit about this carriage?
Carriage AE 1731 has been restored in the workshops at the Weka Pass Railway in Waipara, which you saw this morning. I'm not sure when it re-entered service. It was built in the 1930s, so it's about 95 years old. But it would have been maintained in service by New Zealand Railways originally, but it's been in the preservation scene for probably the last 40 odd years. So it's one of the fleet that we have here.
Nice. So Chris, tell me, do you have a favourite carriage?
The favourite carriage at the moment is what's recently appeared in the workshop, which is a 1940s car, ex-first class carriage. It has yet to have work started on it. I'd like to see it back in service. One of the early cars that was on the Southerner train when it was introduced in 1970. So it had lambswool seat covers and all the mod cons on it and so on. So that's one which I hope we will see on this train in the future. It's slightly longer at 56 feet, but the seat's very comfortable.
Awesome. Thanks, Chris.
You're welcome.
Alrighty, so we're now in Waikari. How was the ride, mate?
Oh, it's fabulous. So nice and quiet, just rolling through. Beautiful.
Beautiful. And what's the plan now?
I actually have no idea.
We're going to get some kai, we'll check out the tea rooms and get a bit of feed, eh?
Sounds good, eh? Liddy,
how was your ride?
Good.
What was your favourite part?
I'm sitting on the track.
Go.
Alrighty, mate. So that concludes the wee family outing on the train on the Weka Pass Railway. What do we reckon?
Oh, top notch, mate. Top notch. Nah, always good fun. Amazing cheers, amazing fun, like family friendly. Great place.
Great place. And what do you reckon? It sets us up nicely to start the branding and the logos.
Oh, 100%. Got some great inspiration today, so we'll be on to a winner, I'm sure.
And what's the plan now? Where are we off to?
Off to Blue Moon for some snacks. Oh, yeah.
Nice one.